Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I decided to sit down and do my makeup only using E.L.F Cosmetics makeup product. So you want to see how I accomplish this makeup look, just keep watching, and at the end of the video don't forget to subscribe and follow so you can see more videos of me later on. Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm gonna do my makeup only using E.L.F Cosmetics Makeup. I have everything I need to do my full face of makeup right here. I already did my brows off camera using the E.L.F Ultra Precise Brow Pencil, which is this one right here. I will leave a clip somewhere in the video where I had done my brows using this pencil several times already. I'm gonna go on and to do my eyeshadow using this palette right here, the E.L.F and J. Kisa E.L.F Cosmetic and J. Kisa palette. I already had done several looks using this palette, and I'm obsessed. I'm so surprised of the quality and how good this palette is from being from the drugstore first of all, and also from E.L.F. You guys know that E.L.F Cosmetics is super affordable. And yeah, I'm gonna do my makeup. My eyeshadow, I added concealer to use as a eyeshadow primer, and let's do it. So today we're gonna use the orange brown right here, and I'm gonna start with the color, I don't know what I'm going for, but I'm gonna start with the color Suma, which is this one right there. And I love also the big mirror that this palette has. This palette is so beautiful, it's gorgeous. So I'm gonna start with the color Suma, and I'm gonna use that as my transition shade. Brush is too big. Let's try this one more time. That's that. Then let me take this brush right here. I'm cutting the crease. I'm gonna go back to the color Suma. And I will take this color right here. It's called Tisuki. Not sure that's how you say that, but yeah, you guys, as you guys can tell, I can barely pronounce name or anything like that. Like, I'm super bad at that. This is like a shimmer color. Let's try this one more time. I'm gonna go back with my brush. I'm gonna go back to the color Suma and add more of that orange. This shimmer was giving me a little bit of hard time. I don't know why, but we're making it work. So then I'm gonna do the other eye, which is my favorite eye to do because normally the looks look better. Don't mind me. So I'm gonna take that color Suma and apply it as my transition shade. We're gonna repeat the same step that we did in the other eye. I'm gonna take concealer and cut the crease. I cut the crease right there. Shimmer. I'm adding setting spray because I love making it as bright as possible. I'm gonna go in with the color Tisoki. I'm gonna go in and add the shimmer, but then that blue is all over. I have to go back with this. Already damaged this whole bit. I'm gonna go back to the color Suma, the color right there, and I want to add more of that orange color to make it more intense, to look more intense. Okay, we're gonna leave that like that for now. With this brush, I'm gonna go in and take any fallout from the eyeshadow. So for primer, I have here the E.L.F Poreless Pudding Primer. This is one of my favorite primer because it hides all my pores, and it also makes sure that my foundation stay in place all day. And I've been having this primer for a little bit now. So that's that. Then we're gonna go on with foundation. So for foundation, I have the E.L.F Flawless Finish Foundation. It looks like this, and I bought the color Toffee. I love how this foundation looks. It's very lightweight. Let me add setting spray to my sponge, and I love how this foundation smells. It smells so like good, like perfume, very perfumey. This is the foundation, just one layer. I don't know if you guys see like the end up. I'm gonna add a little bit more because I wanted it to hide more my imperfections. I feel like I'm talking so low. Maybe I am. So that's that. For concealer, I have the 16-hour Camo Concealer E.L.F Cosmetics and the color Medium Peach. It looks like this. I don't know where I pulled my concealer sponge from E.L.F that I bought also, and I've been loving that sponge so much because it gets to places that you cannot get to with the regular Beauty Blender sponge. But yeah, we're gonna make this work with this regular sponge for now. I had to work super fast because this concealer dry off quickly, so I need to make sure I don't leave it there hanging, sitting down for a while. I look super white, I know it, but we're gonna fix it real quick. That's the concealer. I'm gonna take here, I have the E.L.F HD powder and the color Sheer. I'm so obsessed with it looks like this. I'm so obsessed with the E.L.F packaging. It's just to die for being so affordable. They did an amazing job compared to other high-end brands that sometimes you spend so much money and their packaging is not as awesome as E.L.F. So, you know. So I'm gonna add this translucent powder everywhere that I applied that concealer so it don't move on me. We're going outside and it's super hot out today, so we need to make sure that everything stayed in place. I'm actually gonna add it everywhere in my skin, everywhere. And I normally don't let it sit there for a longest time. I'm gonna add glue to my lashes. I couldn't find, I know there's like lashes that some of my favorite YouTubers love by E.L.F, but I couldn't find them online. I mean, I did saw some lashes on Ulta, but they didn't call my attention, so I ended up not buying no E.L.F lashes. I have these lashes here that I bought in Shein. I mean, I doubt you can see anything. These lashes right here, they are amazing, and they were only $2. So I will use these lashes today. Let me add the glue because you guys know it takes me forever. While they dry down, I will take the remaining of this powder. Okay, so let's move on. For bronzer, I have the E.L.F. The E.L.F bronzer. This bronzer right here, and I bronze my skin with the Morphe G40 brush. This is my favorite brush to apply bronzer. Okay, so I'm gonna go off camera and apply my lashes because it takes me forever to do that. I'll be right back.
2 very boring minutes later.
I'm back. I added my lashes, which took me forever like always, but we did it. Let me just blend in that bronzer that I never did. Okay, gonna go in with the translucent powder so I can cut the contour, I would say. Okay, just gonna take all of this off. I want to clean my brows a little bit more because like always okay, I'm gonna go back to the E.L.F and Jakisa palette and take this yellow Miley, this color right here, and add it to my lower lashes. I feel like I need like something different. But I will leave it like that. Let me add mascara real quick. Let's add blush. I have the E.L.F blush palette, and this is the light palette. And look at this, you guys. It comes with 4 gorgeous blushes and another beautiful mirror that is perfect for traveling. Very nice and compact. So for blush, I'm gonna take this color right here. They are so pigmented, so pigmented. I don't know. Look at that. I added way too much blush. I need to figure it out how to tone this down. Turn it down. So that's the blush. Let me add setting spray. I have here the E.L.F Matte Magic Mix and Set setting spray. Okay, then for highlight, I have the E.L.F Moonlight Pearls. No, Moonlight Pearls. This is the highlight. Lipstick, I have here the E.L.F Nectar lipstick, and I will use my I love this lip liner. You guys have seen it in every video that I have ever made, and it's my NYX. The lip pencil in brown is my favorite lip product. I'm gonna use this lipstick because it goes well since I'm doing this video is all about E.L.F Cosmetics, but I'm gonna end up switching into this orange lipstick because I feel it goes very nice with my top that I'm wearing right now. Let me use the lip liner to fill in my lips. Guys, I don't know how to speak. Let me use this brush, this palette mirror to do that. So that's the lip liner. Then let me go in with the lipstick. Use the same mirror. I feel like this color don't really go well with the makeup look that I have on right now, but we're gonna make it work. Let me add a little bit of lip gloss. Don't forget to subscribe and follow so you can see more videos of me later on. Bye! Baby! Danny! Danny! No, I bet you.